Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple elevator in Hammer. Now this is about the 8th time or more that I've been trying to record this, but Hammer keeps crashing on me whenever I record. So I already made the map for you. I'm just going to guide you step by step on how to do it. Sorry for any inconvenience, but this is the best that I could work with. Okay, start off, make a simple platform. In this case, this is our elevator. Once you have made that, select it and press Control T, and it'll open up the Properties tab. Now, under Class, you want to type in Funk_Track_Train, and then hit Apply and go to Flags. Make sure there's a check in the boxes labeled No Pitch, No User Control, and Fixed Orientation. This way, when you're into the map, the elevator won't spawn correctly, and it won't spawn incorrectly, other than the way you put it, and a user will be able to control which direction it moves. After that, hit Apply and go back to Class Info. Now there are a lot of key values, but the only ones we want to focus on in this tutorial is name and first stop target. Now, under name it whatever you want, but I named mine elevator. Then you want to go to first stop target. This is where the elevator will spawn, and type in what your first path is going to be called. In this case, it'll be path 1. After you do that, hit Apply and X out of it. The next step to making the elevator is going to your Entity tool and placing a path_track and place it where you want your elevator to spawn. This is my path. See, path_track. And you want to, for the name, make sure it's the same as you put it on the elevator, which would be path 1. And this is where the elevator will spawn. Then go to next stop target and type the path that it will be leading to. In this case, it will be path 2. Now after you do that, place your next path. This is where the elevator will go. And importantly, when you line them up, if I could find it, yes, here it is. You got to make sure they are directly on top of each other. See, the view will look like this. These are our two paths. You want to make sure they're directly on top of each other, so when the elevator moves, it won't move in a diagonal or any mismatched direction. You want it to go in a straight line up, or whatever way you choose. In this case, ours will be going directly up. Now, open the Properties menu for the next path, and the only thing you want to worry about this one is the name. So for this, it'll be path 2, as we covered in the first path. And you want to leave the next stop target blank, because we're only going to have 2 stops, or 1 stop, in this tutorial. You can have more later, but for this one, we'll only have 1. Now that you have that finished, you have to make a button. The button will control when the elevator starts to move. So I made a little platform for my button. So once you have, you want to select your block tool first, and create this if you want, and then the button. Sorry about my bad speaking. I get nervous when I'm trying to record. Okay, so once you make your button, press Control T and it'll open up the Properties menu. And for class, type in Funk_button. Now, the key values don't really matter as of now, but hit Apply and then go to Outputs. Now, click Add, and where it says My Output Name, you want to put OnPressed or whatever else you want. There's like OnDamage, etc., but we want OnPress, so when the user presses his use key, it will cause this function to work. For target entity's name, you want to put elevator, since we're targeting the elevator, or whatever you named your elevator. With this input, start forward, then hit Apply. Once you do that, the elevator will move. Now, this is a very simple tutorial. I have another more advanced way of making elevators if you care to go check out my profile, and my videos are there. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments, or any requests to make another tutorial, just ask. Thank you.